So this is the Sasaki Apartments here, right across from the Superfoods here in Aruba, right on the main strip. They offer more of a budget-friendly option. The rooms are really cute. Some double beds. Even the standard room has a little kitchenette with a fridge and toaster and coffee maker. All the amenities you need, all the utensils that you need, and the pool here. Wow, I love it, with a little waterfall and the little kids area. Also, they have barbecues that you can rent out as well to cook your food. What a great location right across from the Superfoods. You know what, guys? Come check this place out.